Imagine winning one of the biggest titles in the world. Millions know your name. Doors began to open. The future looks limitless. Most people would spend the rest of their lives protecting that success. But what if your greatest achievement wasn't the crown you wore? What if it was the life you choose after everyone stopped watching? There are people who spend their lives trying to fit into society's expectations. And then there are people who quietly decide to write their own story. Sushmita Sen didn't just win Miss Universe, she challenged the idea that happiness has to follow a fixed timeline. Marriage, career, motherhood, success. She proved that perhaps life isn't about doing things in the expected order. Maybe it's about having the courage to choose your own. You know the headlines. Now let's find the last piece. Last time, Honey Singh reminded us that sometimes the hardest comeback is coming back to yourself. Today's story begins long before the crown. Can I ask you something? Have you ever felt like your dreams were bigger than the place you came from? Because every extraordinary journey begins with an ordinary person who simply refuses to stop believing. Before the flashing cameras, before the applause, before the world knew her name, Sushmita was simply a young woman who believed she belonged on the world's biggest stage. In 1994, she entered Miss India, standing beside some of the country's most celebrated contestants. Many people expected someone else to win, but life has a beautiful habit of surprising us. Soon after, she went on to represent India at Miss Universe, and for the first time, an Indian woman brought home the Miss Universe crown. Overnight, everything changed. Magazine covers, interviews, films, fame. From the outside, it looked like the perfect story. But life was preparing a much greater lesson. Because years later, Sushmita would make a decision that surprised almost everyone. A decision that had nothing to do with fame. Winning Miss Universe opened countless doors: films, recognition, success. The world expected a certain kind of future: a successful career, marriage, a traditional family, the timeline people believed every woman should follow. But here is something I have learned: the happiest lives are rarely lived according to someone else's schedule. Years passed, questions began. When will you get married? Why are you still single? What comes next? Sound familiar? Maybe you have heard questions like these too. Questions that quietly suggest there is only one correct way to live. Then Sushmita made a decision that surprised almost everyone. She chose to become a mother, not after marriage, not because society expected it, but because she was ready. She adopted a little girl as a single woman. At the time, it wasn't a common decision. Many questioned it, many doubted it, but she chose love over approval. Years later, she welcomed another daughter into her life, not because she was following a plan, but because she was following her heart. Think about that. The world often teaches us to wait for the perfect moment, the perfect job, the perfect partner, the perfect timing. But life rarely waits for perfect. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do is trust yourself. Ask yourself, how do you measure a successful life? Awards, money, fame, or the people who call you family? Sushmita's story reminds us that success isn't always about reaching the top. Sometimes it's about building a life that feels true to you. Maybe that's why her story still inspires so many people. Not because she had all the answers, but because she had the courage to trust her own. If these stories help you look beyond the headlines and discover the lessons hidden inside someone's journey, then you have found exactly why this channel exists. Every week, we are searching for one more piece of the human story. But perhaps the greatest lesson Sushmita leaves us has nothing to do with beauty or fame. It has everything to do with choosing your own life. There comes a moment in every person's life when the applause becomes quieter, the headlines become fewer, the spotlight moves on, and then one question remains: did you live the life you truly wanted? For Sushmita, the answer was never hidden in a trophy, or a title, or a crown. It was found in the choices she made when nobody could make them for her. Perhaps that's why her story still matters, not because she became Miss Universe, but because she reminded us that success means different things to different people. Some people measure success by the some people measure success by what they own, others by what they achieve, but maybe the most meaningful measure is whether you had the courage to live honestly. Think about your own life. How many dreams have you postponed waiting for the right time? How many decisions have you delayed because you were worried about what others would think? Life rarely follows a perfect script, and perhaps that's exactly what makes it beautiful. There will always be people who expect you to follow their timeline, their rules, their definition of happiness. But your life was never meant to be lived for someone else's approval. So, who is Sushmita Sen? A beauty queen? Certainly. An accomplished actress? Without question. A devoted mother? Absolutely. But perhaps those words still miss the most important part. Maybe her real story is about courage. The courage to trust yourself even when your path looks different from everyone else. Because one day the world will stop asking whether you lived the expected life. It will only ask whether you lived your own. If Sushmita's story reminded you that it's never too late to choose your own path, then perhaps this wasn't just her story. Maybe it became a small part of yours. If stories like these help you discover the lessons hidden behind extraordinary lives, I would love for you to stay with us because every week we are searching for one more piece of the human story. Rekha taught us that peace needs no explanation. Jennifer reminded us that one chapter never defines your future. Shahrukh believed before the world did. Aishwarya showed us that perfection isn't something we owe anyone. Honey Singh reminded us that the hardest comeback is often the one nobody sees. And today, Sushmita leaves us with one final lesson: don't wait for permission to live your own life. Our next story is about a woman who refused to become who others expected her to be. She chose her own voice. Sometimes that voice was celebrated, sometimes it was criticized, but she kept speaking. The question is, what does it cost to stop living for everyone else's approval? And what happens when being yourself makes you one of the most talked about people in the country? That's our next piece. Every famous life looks complete from a distance, but every journey has a lesson hidden beneath the headlines. And sometimes the most inspiring stories aren't about fame, they are about having the courage to choose your own path. Until next time, keep looking for the last piece.